Welcome to Activity 40. In this activity, we will be solving word problems using the 4 steps of understand, plan, do, check. The most important is step 1, understand. In this step, we will draw a diagram. Questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are all part-whole diagrams. The diagram will tell us whether we need to add or subtract. I'm going to model each question for you. Part-whole questions have 2 or more parts that join together to make the whole amount. This whole is the one that starts with the letter W, and it means all of the cubes or the total amount. To complete the part-whole questions, you need 10 cubes in one colour for one part and a matching colour pencil, 10 cubes in another colour for the other colour part and a matching colour pencil, and a lead pencil for the whole. Question 1. Sean's dad gave him some packets of collector cards. Each packet had 1 card inside. He had opened 7 packets and had 3 packets still to open. How many packets did his dad give him? This word question is about collector cards. There are 2 parts. One part are the opened packets. I will use blue. The other part are the packets that are not open yet. I will use green for that, and black for the whole amount. Sean's dad gave him some packets of collector cards. Each packet had 1 card inside. He had opened 7 packets. This is my first part, the opened 7 packets. I'll put them in the part section. And had 3 packets still to open. This is my other part, 3 packets still to open. How many packets did his dad give him? The total number of packets is unknown, and this is the whole that we need to find. To find the whole, I'm going to use this plan. Part add part equals whole, because I know both the parts and I don't know the whole yet. So a part of 7 add a part of 3 will give me the whole that is unknown. 7 add 3 is 10. To check the maths, I'm going to arrange the parts so as I can see without counting. Here's my part of 7, which I know is 5 and 2. And here's my part of 3. And I can see that the part of 7 add the part of 3 gives me the whole of 10. The last thing I need to check is the question. So I find the question mark. How many packets did his dad give him? And the answer is 10. His dad gave him 10 packets of cards.